Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can use the drop-down menu in Webflow, so let's get started. To begin, open your Webflow project and go to the Add Elements panel. Search for the drop-down element and drag it onto your page. Once you place it, Webflow automatically gives you a toggle button and a drop-down list. Now click on the toggle. This is the button users click to open the menu. You can change its text, adjust the icon, and style it using the right side style panel. After that, select the drop-down list to edit the menu items. You can rename them, duplicate them, or drag new text blocks and links inside depending on what you want in your menu. Each drop-down item can be turned into a link. Just select an item, go to the Settings panel, and choose where you want it to navigate, like another page, a section, or an external link. If you want to customize how the drop-down opens, select the main drop-down element and check the Settings tab. Here you can choose whether it opens on click or hover. You can also adjust how it closes to match your design style. Once everything looks good, click Preview and test your drop-down. Make sure the toggle works, the list opens smoothly, and all the links work correctly. After that, your drop-down menu is ready to use anywhere on your Webflow website. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.